guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Chicks, and today's video I will be helping my friends create a headboard for her room. And my friend's house, even though it looks like my room, but it's not actually my room. So let's just get into the video.
She gave my name, wash my bed.
We met too young, and our hearts be broken, leaving it open to save this love. Friends saying it's toxic, but there's no option of giving you up. And if we
So we're using this material, this fluffy material we got from the local market over here, and this should be about 3 years, and we got 1 year for about 1,200. This material, she's had it for a long time. That's not everybody's business. Well then, is this really fluffy material that we're going to use for the? It's actually a headboard that we're trying to create.
Carpet wall.
Or carpet wall. It was supposed to be a headboard, but then we decided to do it.
We know the inspo.
Because I mean
That girl's always cute though.
we should put the inspo too of what we tried to do.
What's happening?
of giving you up. And if we finna grow apart, then I don't wanna grow up. But I was feeling stuck, cause we met too young. We the same damn soul. Told you I would never fall in love with no hoe. Hate it was a hickey that done let you know. I've been in the streets fucking around with hoes. Whoa, and you did the same thing to me. I know them other guys ain't better than me. Ain't nobody got you coming harder than already. Swear I gotta be the hottest rapper in the city. I can tell that this is probably hell. Night terrors of me seeing you laying with somebody else. And we both terrified that we gon' move on with someone else. Cause we met too young, and our hearts be broken, leaving it open.
Right at the moment, so we'll be trying out the other method of using hot glue to do things to the wall. And if in case you don't know, this is an opportunity for you to learn that you can actually use the hot gun without the hot gun. Sorry, the hot glue. The hot glue without the hot gun. So let's go ahead and use this. Looks more sharp.
Okay, look.